Thank you for purchasing the Medical Sauna by Medical Sauna. This is an installation video. First, begin by placing the floorboard on the ground. Next, connect the backboard to the floorboard. Place the right board on the floorboard and connect it to the backboard. There are 3 latches on the side. Next, connect the left board to the backboard and the floorboard. And again, attach them together with the 3 latches on the back. Next are the seats. Place the vertical seat board on the floorboard and push the left and right board into it like shown in the video. Next, connect the wires on the seats. Connect the closest wire to the closest connector, and make sure that the seats are connected with the wood of the sideboards. Next, you can place the bench seat and slide it on top. There are 2 screws for this that screw into the left and right. They're long screws so that the bench doesn't move. Next is the front glass. You can connect it to the left and right like shown. This is what the connector looks like. You'll have to push it in and then up. Next is the roof. You can place the roof on top and feed the wires through to the very top. And each wire connects to the closest connector. Connect these 2 cords together, and you can screw to tighten. Connect these 2 together, and all of these heater cords can be connected to their closest corresponding cord. They are numbered accordingly. Go ahead and run the radio cords down into the radio. This is the radio. You can see the 2 cords. For the radio box holder, make sure that the A's and the B's are connected properly and push through the harness. And the radio just goes in like that. And that's secure. Go ahead and connect all the radio cords onto one another. Push the radio into the corner and screw it in. This is where the optional heaters go on the glass. And then this is a tray. You can screw it in like shown. This is the handle. Make sure that the treated side goes on the outside to match the exterior. It screws in like shown. Screw in the roof onto the sidewalls. There are 8 screws. Next, you can cover the roof with this protective cardboard and screw it in.